Just
say more.
oh, okay, you say more. You wanna say more?
Life expectancy is 10 years from the first.
What is the time?
Life expectancy
Huh?
is 10 years.
The life with MSA
Is
is
2
6 to
10 years.
10 years. 6 to 10 years. From the time that, from the first symptom.
Yeah, it's 10 years.
6 to 10 years.
But it could be more.
That's it. So we're okay now. Okay. Let's talk about the early symptoms. Let's talk about the early symptoms of MSAC, which stands for, what is MSA again? Okay, multiple system atrophy cerebellar type. We will keep it simple so it's so easy to understand. As we said, MSAC mainly affects the cerebellum, the part of the brain that helps us balance, coordinate, and move smoothly. When the cerebellum is not working well, we start to notice changes in movement. Some of the symptoms is balance problems. It's like a feeling unsteady, feeling unsteady when walking, or stumbling more often. And the second one is slurred or slow speech. Slow speech. So words may not come out as clearly. And the third one is the clumsy movement. So like trouble writing or using your hands. And the fourth is, what is the fourth one? Shaking or tremors. Hands or body may shake slightly. And the next one, the fifth one is, it's a trouble swallowing. The trouble swallowing is sometimes food or drinks don't go down smoothly, so that's the time that they have troubles for swallowing. So that is also one of the early symptoms for the MSA cerebellar types. And the last one is dizziness or low blood pressure. So dizziness or low blood pressure, especially when standing up. So that's the one that they will find out. It's also one of the symptoms for the MSAC. When you're standing, you feel dizzy, and then your blood pressures is going down. My husband didn't get the dizziness and also low blood pressures. He don't have that one. The only thing he has for the early symptoms we have is the balance problems, slurred or slow speech, clumsy movement, shaking or tremors, and trouble swallowing. So those are the ones that he has as symptoms. This may start mild, but they usually get worse over time. So far, my husband's have, it's already, how many years now you have? You have? 5 years now. So my husband's is already have 5 years since 2020. 2020, my husband's is already diagnosed the symptoms of, but not the MSA. It's like, it's first they told us it's ataxia, right? The 2020, the doctors told us that my husband's have ataxia, so that is the symptoms also for the ataxia. And 2023, that's the time they confirmed that my husband have a MSA cerebellum. So it's like multiple system atrophy cerebellar type. So as I told you, two kinds of MSA. So MSA-C, which is the cerebellar, which is my husband have it. And then the second one is the MSA-P, which is Parkinsonian or Parkinsonism type. So that's the one. For the overtime, the MSA-C can make everyday tasks more challenging. Yes, it is true that it's challenging. Every day is challenging. Every year is different. We notice that yearly it's changing. But with supports from our doctors, my husband doctors, physical therapy, and family, people can still find ways to manage daily life. And for right now, there's no cure. For right now, is there any cure? The doctor said? No. So right now, the doctor said there's no cures for the MSA-C, but research is ongoing, and the doctors is focused on treating some of the symptoms and helping with movement, speech, and comforts, so that my husband can have the best quality of life possible. I think that's all for now. And if you I think do you want to say something more? No? That's it? Okay. If you or someone you know is dealing with MSA-C, remember you are not alone. Support groups and healthcare teams can really make a difference. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like and share. It may help someone else too. So thank you, and thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. See you next time. We are not expert for this disease, but because of the things that we encounter, and the things that we encounter and we're facing right now, so that's the only thing that we can share it to you. Hopefully that our sharing will help the people who have this kind of disease. Welcome to the journey.